These people work hard. It makes me proud to see them, that they care so much. You come to work, you enjoy what you do. We have an amazing group of people here. There's a lot of diversity. They're family here. Everybody gets along very well. Regardless if you're on the administrative or the factory side, we all get along and we all know each other by name. It's not a number. We believe this truly, that every role is just as important as the other. The customers come here, you know them by name, and they go on the shop floor and they see these employees working on their product. They see how proud that we are about making their product. And again, we have return customers, and there's a reason for that. Lippmann is family, plain and simple, employees and customers.